Assalamu alaikum students. How are you students? I hope you all will be fine. I am Ikranwar. I am a science teacher in KPF, class 7, subject science, topic fit and healthy. Students, in previous lecture we were talking about we should eat a variety of diet because some foods provide energy, some foods provide building material, some foods control the chemical reaction, and some foods that provide minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are actually inorganic elements needed by the body for the following function. Example: sodium, potassium, zinc, calcium, iron are inorganic elements. These inorganic elements needed by the body for the following function. These are called minerals. These minerals perform the following functions. For example, build tissues, regulate body fluids, assist in body function, help form body structure. When food is burned, minerals remain as ash. The sources of minerals are vegetables, milk, egg, bread, yogurt. There are many minerals. Calcium. It is needed for the growth of healthy teeth and bones. Calcium required for healthy growth of teeth and bones because calcium make the strong and fit bones. Iron used to make red blood cells, so it is needed for the formation of red blood cells. There are many others minerals, for example potassium, sodium, magnesium and zinc. Potassium is also an important mineral because it helps to keep muscles strong and heartbeat regular. Some people eat too much common salt. It causes health problems. For example, high blood pressure, stomach cancer, kidney diseases and renal stone because salt hold water in our body. Extra water stored in our body. This extra water increases the blood pressure. When blood pressure increases, the strain on our heart, kidneys and brain. This lead to heart attack, stroke and kidney diseases. Kidney stones are also formed due to eating too much common salt. Some varieties of salt contain traces of calcium, potassium, iron, zinc and iodine. These are important minerals and essential for health. Potassium is an important mineral because it plays important role in nerve function, muscle control and blood pressure. It also helps to keep muscles strong and regulate heartbeat. Iodine is also a major and important mineral. Our total body contains about 20 milligrams of iodine, but 80% is present in the thyroid gland, salivary glands, ovaries and muscles also contain some amount of iodine. The sources of iodine are rich source of iodines are seafoods, eggs, dairy products, vegetables and iodized salt. There are some advantages and disadvantages of salt. Disadvantages are too much eating of salt cause like high blood pressure, renal stone and kidney diseases. But salt also contains traces of some elements like sodium, potassium, zinc and iodine. These are important minerals and play important role in our body. These minerals are necessary for healthy life. Students, in this lecture we have learned what are minerals, what are the source of minerals, why are minerals important, and give one danger of eating too much salt, what should a balanced diet contain. ये स्टूडेंट्स आपके लिए असाइनमेंट है. जो आप इस लेक्चर को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।